if you've never written a line of code before, you're exactly in the right place. This series assumes you know absolutely nothing about programming. By the end of it, you'll be able to create your own game and actually understand the code you're writing. Today we're starting from complete zero. We're going to learn what a script is, where script goes, variables, data types, and how to make Roblox actually do something using code. First, we need to know, what is scripting? Roblox games are basically built from parts, models, UIs, sounds, animations, and much more. A script is simply a list of instructions. Think of it like giving instructions to a robot. If I write like jump, the robot jumps. If I write walk forward, it walks. A Roblox script works exactly in the same way. The only difference is that instead of English, we're using a programming language called Lua. First of all, you need to understand what all of this does. So, the workspace is basically your entire map and stuff. The players is where the players are located. Lighting basically makes you able to change the sky's color, the atmosphere, sun rays and stuff. Replicated storage is just a way to share objects shared between server and client. Basically, the client is where you are playing. It's your Roblox app. The server is on Roblox's server, making it so you can't access whatever is there. And server script service just basically tells the server to do something, but to not tell it to the client. To make your first ever Roblox script, go to server script service, press this little plus, then search up script, and then you will see print hello world. Basically, what's this gonna do, if you press the button play, it's gonna print to the server and tell it hello world, as you can see, right here. And if you want, let's imagine you have like some very long stuff, like you forget what it means. Look, here, you can do 2 dashes, and then you can write whatever you want. So, print hello world. And if you put 2 dashes, Roblox won't execute whatever you put in here. It's just gonna imagine like it's not there. So it's not gonna print hello world 3 times, it only printed it twice. Also, make sure you always have this window turned on, because it can tell you where are the errors located in your script and the lines that have the error. So it makes your job at fixing errors way easier. You can enable it by going into here, then pressing script, and then you can press output, and it will show you this bar. Now let's talk about variables. When you have a box, you can put something inside the box. Then later, you can use whatever is inside of it. A variable is just simply that box. Let's go back to our script. Let's imagine we have a name, local player name, for example. This player's name is gonna be Alex. We can print Alex's name from using that variable. So if we go in game, it printed Alex. Now, if we change it to, for example, to Theo, and we go in, it's gonna print Theo, because the variable is Theo. Whatever is the value of this variable is gonna print it. So Theo, as you can see, this is called a string. A string is basically the value of the player name. Local tells Roblox the variable only exists inside this script. Using local is a good habit because it keeps your code organized and avoids accidental conflicts with other variables. Now we'll talk about data types. Roblox stores different kinds of information. 3 you use constantly are strings, numbers, and booleans. Now, just like I explained, player name is Theo. Theo is the string? The string has to be in between quotes. The local just tells the script that the variable only exists inside the script, so it doesn't get confused with any other scripts. Now, let's go with numbers. Let's make a new script. Now, let's imagine there's a value called coins. Let's say I have 100 coins, right? We're gonna print however many coins I have. So, this is the number. A number stores numerical values. When you're putting a number, you don't have to use quotations, just like here. You have to write the number straight. Now, let's explain a boolean. A boolean can only be true or false. So let's make another script. Here. Let's imagine local pet owned. For example, it goes true. Print pet owned. Now this is only gonna tell you if pet owned is true or false. As you can see, if I join, it says true. Right, and here it is. And if I set it to false, for example, it's gonna tell me false. Now this can help you because if the script detects that it's false, it can do something. For example, give you less buffs if it's a simulator game, and if it's owned, it gives you, like, for example, 2 times buff. Now as you can see, it's weird having all these scripts one by one. So let's delete them all. Right. And let's make one big script. So let's get for example, local username equals, for example, you, right? Local coins equals, for example, 250. Local VIP equals false. Now it's print username, print coins, print VIP. Now, instead of having 3 different scripts, if I press play, you have 250 coins and don't have VIP, see? Now, let's go over some common mistakes that beginners do. So, imagine we have local name equals Alex, right? But you forget the quotes. If you try to print name, the script doesn't know its value, so it's just gonna say nil because it doesn't know the value of name. So if you add the quotes, now it's gonna work because the script knows what is the value of name. Now let's go over another mistake. When you make doing numbers, local for example, money equals 100, but you put quotes. When you're gonna print how much money you have, it's gonna say 100, but that's not a number, that's text. It could really break all of your scripts if you have quotes in your numbers. So make sure there's no quotes, and then it should work. For example, to set your money to 100 and stuff. Alright, so now to see if you actually learned something, I'll give you 30 seconds. Try to find a way to print Alex's name, his age, and his favorite color. So let's make that script. So local name, his name is Alex, right? Now local age, his age is 18. Local favorite color is, for example, blue, right? So let's print name, print age, and print his favorite color. So if you got everything correct, it should give you his age, his name, and his favorite color. And congratulations, you just wrote your first real Roblox script. It might not seem like much yet, but you've learned the foundation that every Roblox game is built on. In the next video, we're going to leave the output window behind and start interacting with actual objects inside the game. You'll learn how to reference parts, change their properties, move them around using vector tree, and make the world respond to your code. See ya!